Let us all unite. It is we human beings make nations. We human beings make decisions. We human beings make policies. We are the conscious owners. We are the conscious beings of this planet Earth, the only home humanity has. We all need to stand up and protect this planet Earth for our next generation. Let's be wise. Let us not even think about otherwise. It is time we focus more on right education than developing the armies. It is time we focus more on researches on longevity than biological weapons. It is time we focus on methodologies to reach out the truth and best communication methods at zero cost, at the rate of 0 seconds, than creating media trials. The major media houses constantly brainwashing, spreading their opinions as news, should be stopped. All forms of opinionated news is a violence. All forms of religious conversion is violence. All forms of animal rights abuse is violence. Kailasa. The constitution of Kailasa gives fundamental rights to all beings, not just Hindus or not just human beings. All living beings have a right to exist, right to be treated as the manifestation of Paramashiva. The first amendment of Kailasa's constitution, the first amendment is the right to treat yourself, treat others, to be treated by others as Paramashiva, God Himself, for all beings, not just human beings, but for all beings. I sincerely request, let's all decide to respect, revere, honor, accept, coexist with all beings, not just human beings, with all beings. Planet Earth is for animals too, not just for human beings. We human beings need to realize we can't survive on the planet Earth by eliminating all other species. No. We need to wake up to this truth. Should stop treating all other species as utility value for us. We should not look at animals as food or pleasure objects or luxury objects. It is time we wake up and treat all beings with not just human rights, with the divine rights. All beings have a right to exist, treat themselves, treat others, to be treated by others as divine, Paramashiva, ultimate God himself, ultimate itself. It is time we look beyond the ideas of currency, beyond the ideas of army, beyond the ideas of political ideologies, beyond the ideas of political borders, beyond the ideas of religious philosophies. It is time we look at the whole planet Earth and all the beings through the cosmic principles. Kailasa is striving to present cosmic, conscious, enlightened, principle-centric model communities, ecosystems all over the world. With the blessings of Paramashiva, the God, we do have territory. With the blessings of Paramashiva and the gods and goddesses of Kailasa, we do have a territory, but we are not just territory-centric nation. We are territory-based civilizational nation. The territory is just for us to stay and operate. But we are interested in the whole humanity and all the beings, not just human beings, all the beings. I request and pray to all of you once again. It is time we all start looking beyond borders. I tell you, this pandemic has taught us few lessons, hard lessons. Passports and visas have no value. Currencies and banks hoarding has no value. All those things lost its meaning. The large amount of weapons we piled up has no value. The large amount of hatred we built to divide human society based on political ideologies, religious principles, philosophies, all of them have no value. One simple virus pandemic, Corona, taught us too many hard lessons. It is time we wake up and align our life from the smallest decision, what we eat for morning breakfast, to the largest external affairs, policies and principles. In every level, we bring cosmic principles, cosmic ideas, global vision, global principles. Look at the world as borderless space where all beings, not just human beings, all beings need to exist, coexist, survive, thrive. It is time we enrich, empower, enlighten ourselves and work for others. Especially, I wanted to address these few words to the born, living and practicing Hindus all over the world. You are all successful, O Hindus. You are the richest ethnic minority in every country you have settled down, whether it is United States of America or Canada or UK or Australia. I'm talking from statistics. You are the richest ethnic minority. It is time you take these cosmic principles from Veda Agamic constitution and enrich the whole world. It's time we need to enrich the world to these cosmic principles and revive the ancient enlightened civilization. It is not just removing the extreme poverty. It's not just stopping the deforestation. It's not just protecting the animal rights. It is making everyone feel everything is divine. We need to look at everything from the principles of cosmos. It is time for us to wake up. Let's all resolve with the grace of Paramashiva to stand for the principles he himself has revealed in Vedas and Agamas and revive the ancient enlightened civilization and cosmic principles like Ahimsa Paramo Dharmaha. Non-violence is the ultimate cosmic law. And through these cosmic principles, let's protect planet Earth, the only home we have, survive, thrive through coexistence. Not just tolerance, but coexistence. Not just tolerance, but coexistence. I sincerely request these lofty ideals, goals, policies should not be just in books, should come to the real decision-making tables. All the statesmen who are here, all the dignitaries who are here, all the influencers in the field of entertainment, like many Hollywood celebrities who are here, and social media influencers. I request all of you, let's be the real change. This day, Kailasa's SPH Nityananda Day, I dedicate it to Paramashiva and gods and goddesses of Kailasa and the whole humanity, to all of you, for reviving the ancient enlightened Hindu civilizational nation, which has territory, but it's global, macrocosmic civilizational nation. It's an ecosystem I am trying to revive. I am not interested in building a nation as a competition to other existing nations. No. I am interested in building an ecosystem where all beings coexist happily, protecting this planet Earth, the only home we have.